If you're selling on eBay regularly, creating a shipping policy can save you a lot of time and keep your listings consistent. Instead of entering shipping details every time, you can apply a ready-made policy to multiple listings. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a shipping policy on eBay step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to set up and use shipping policies easily. First, open the eBay website and sign into your seller account. Once you're logged in, go to the Seller Hub. From there, navigate to the Account or Settings section where you'll find Business Policies. Look for the Business Policies option and click on it. If you haven't enabled it yet, eBay may prompt you to turn it on. Once enabled, you'll see options for payment, return, and shipping policies. Next, click on Create Policy and select Shipping Policy. Now you'll need to enter the details for your shipping setup. Start by giving your policy a clear name so you can easily recognize it later. Then choose your shipping options. You can select domestic and international shipping services, set shipping costs, or offer free shipping. You'll also need to define your handling time, which tells buyers how quickly you'll dispatch items after receiving payment. After that, configure additional settings like package type, shipping discounts for multiple items, and any exclusions for certain locations if needed. Once all the details are filled in, review everything carefully to make sure it matches your selling process. Then click Save to create your shipping policy. Now, whenever you create or edit a listing, you can simply select this shipping policy instead of entering the details manually. This makes listing faster and ensures consistency across your items. In this tutorial, we learn how to create a shipping policy on eBay by enabling business policies, setting shipping details, and saving the policy for future use. This helps streamline your workflow and improves your selling efficiency. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.